grab a pencil and a piece of paper, look at your screen. We've got a step-by-step drawing of a horse head. We're going to go through these step-by-steps. We'll end up with one drawing, not all 6 of these, okay? We just start with the simple shapes and go to here. And I just want to give thanks to the author of this, the artist that drew this. I have no idea who it is. I've been teaching at this school for about 7 years, and there were many teachers before me, and they left behind lots of stuff. And this is something I just found in a file deep in a drawer. I pulled it out because these drawings are great, because it's all about just simplifying things and going from there. Little secret, I already recorded all of this, and I hadn't clicked the record button, so now I'm doing it over. So I'm going to be hopefully even better than the time before. Okay, draw a circle. Now we're drawing lightly because we are going to be doing quite a bit of erasing. Got my circle. Now I'm going to draw this lightning bolt type thing coming off. If you look at it, this edge of the lightning bolt touches the edge of the circle, comes above the circle, and then it comes down quite a bit below the circle too. So be sure you do those things. Moving on to number 2. This little loopy circular thing, almost in the middle of the circle. The middle of the circle's right there, so it's about right there. We've got almost a full circle off the edge of that bolt. And then this part of the muzzle comes, if that's the middle of the circle, just to the right of the middle, right there, and come down. Now up here, you've got, we'll call it a horseshoe shape because we're drawing a horse. And then a line going this direction. I'm going to compare and put my pencil right across that line. Oh, that was way off. It should have been up there. Looks like I've got something right here. This thing right here. Line going down here. Okay, moving on to number 4. 2 lines here and here. Now, if at any point you're just tired of hearing my voice and you want to do this by yourself, do it. I just noticed something. That horseshoe should have been coming off of this line right here, so I need to fix that. Thankfully, I've been drawing lightly, so it'll be easy to erase. Can fix that like that. Oh, look at that. I messed up earlier. I drew another line, and now I've already got those 2 lines, so that's good. Looking at this, looks like I'm going to put the mane in. Some little details around the nose. Another line right here. Something right here. Doing these step-by-step things is kind of fun because you don't know what you're adding on until you get to the last step. Then you start to realize, oh, that's a piece of hair. Didn't know that. Got some nice eyelashes. Okay, at some point, which I think is about right now, I'm going to start erasing things that I don't need. Don't need this. And it's not, the artist didn't do that, but you don't want to leave that circle in there. So go ahead and erase anything. Oh, this thing right here. Look at that. I had 2 ears there. I didn't even realize it. Already drawn. Just need to add a little bit. Just some finishing details, and we got ourselves a horse head. Okay, when you're done, take a picture and submit it on Canvas.